Hey crew, today's video will be bread pudding, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have 2 loaves of French bread that we allow to sit out and become stale. We have 2 sticks of salted sweet cream butter, 2 boxes of the bread pudding with rum sauce mix. We have 4 eggs and milk. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the video. Let's get into this bread pudding video. Alright crew, so here go our bread pudding mixture, and here go the rum sauce right here. It's 1 loaf of French bread per box. So here we have our bread that's stale, well, like 2-3 days old French bread. And y'all, we got the queen in here, so she doing this. And here is a packet that I showed y'all earlier. She gonna put both packets of the bread pudding mix in there.
And it's cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar, white sugar per pack. And just a quick side note, if you do not have these boxes because they are not available everywhere, it's just like doing a sweet potato pie or apple or peach cobbler. You have to season your sugar, your white, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg to taste.
Right here we have 12 tablespoons of melted butter. So here we have 4 eggs that she's gonna lightly beat before she poured in our mixture. Alright y'all, so she's gonna take some vanilla extract. And that's a tablespoon, so I don't know how many tablespoons she's gonna do. She's gonna do 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Alright, so she's gonna take 6 cups of white milk. So she's gonna do this 3 times. Alright crew, so she's just gonna mix everything in together. And I'm not gonna show y'all too much of this footage. I'm not gonna bore y'all to death.
These gloves are huge.
Yeah, cause I got some big hands. You want this spoon right here?
No, I gotta mix it with the glove. I gotta be able to feel that the bread is wet. I just gotta get me some smaller gloves.
Okay crew, so we back and the queen got it mixed very well together. And just a few tips on this bread pudding. You want to make sure that it's mixed really well and the moisture of the bread is at the right consistency. And y'all see how you got a little coming out, so that's good. And also if y'all want to put raisins, apples, dates, figs, whatever you want to put in your bread pudding, or chocolate, you can. So that's just another tip. So we're gonna put this in the smaller pan. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we about to get into the rum sauce, and you'll need 12 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/3 cup of whole white milk, some vanilla extract, and that'll be it. And here go the packets over here for the rum sauce. So she's just gonna melt the butter first, and then she's gonna go in with your 1/3 cup of milk. 2/3 cups of milk. My bad, y'all. It's 2/3.
Because we got 2 packets.
And another tip, Queen also said use sweet cream butter, not use margarine, because it doesn't turn out right. So once you get this melted down, I'll bring y'all back.
It's not my fault.
So she's gonna go in with 1/3 of a cup of whole white milk. Alright, so she's gonna put a capful of rum. And y'all can omit this step. Y'all don't have to put the rum in there since it's a rum flavor. But if you want to turn it up another notch, you just add the rum liquor.
Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking.
And she's gonna go in with a capful of vanilla.
You stole your piece, put it on me, but baby, it's
Alright, so she's gonna go in with both of the packets of rum mixture.
fine like alright, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
And it's just pretty much so it's well combined and warm it up right. Cool.
As long as you let it warm, the darker it'll get. If you want it to be a lighter caramel consistency, just let it warm up. Cover the top. But if you want it a little bit darker, let it cook for maybe 5 minutes longer. Take it off the heat. Cover it. You can make extra.
So dirty, yeah, you look so dirty.
You just want the sugar and everything to get dissolved.
Okay, y'all, so this is the rum sauce. So we got our bread pudding out the oven.
You stole your piece, put it on me, but baby,
Alright, so we're gonna take a fork. We're just gonna
lie like alright,
pierce the bread pudding.
take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
Got rum sauce.
If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't shed haze, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day.
Okay, so here's our bread pudding with our rum sauce. We're gonna allow this to sit and let it soak in some. Alright, crew, so we let our bread pudding sit, and we're just gonna scoop some of it out. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. And come on the video. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.